Here are two different derivatives that are pretty similar, but there's just a little bit of a difference, and I wanted to highlight that difference. In this case, 9x is the inside function inside of sine x. So we have I equals 9x, I prime is 9, O equals sine of whatever I is, O prime is cosine of whatever I is. These two derivatives get multiplied. So we have 9 times cosine of I. Remember, I was 9x, so our answer is 9 cosine of 9x. Where in this case, 10x is the inner function. I prime is that same coefficient, or 10. O is 2 times cosine of I. And so this is just a constant. We can think of it as 2x squared. If that was my function, f prime, we would bring the 2 down and multiply the constant, but it would stay there, and we'd have 4x as our derivative. So here, O prime will be the derivative of cosine is negative sine of I times the constant of 2, or negative 2 sine of I. So when I have a constant, I leave it there, but I don't do anything with it. I just multiply it times my derivative. Another way to think about it is I'm going to factor this 2 out. 2 times the derivative of cosine of 10x. So when I'm all done, I better multiply that by that 2. So we're going to multiply our O prime of negative 2 sine of I times our I prime of 10, and our answer will be negative 20 sine of I again was that 10x.